Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're setting our sights on a true automotive icon, the one and only Mercedes-Benz G-Wagen. But not just any G-Wagen, this is the fire-breathing, road-dominating Mercedes-Benz G900 Brabus. Performance, a rocket in disguise. First things first, let's talk about what makes this beast tick. Brabus, the renowned tuning house, has taken the G-Wagen's already potent engine and dialed it up to 11. We're talking serious horsepower, folks, enough to launch this luxury SUV from 0 to 60 in a heart-stopping time now. The G-Class is known for its off-road prowess, and the G900 Brabus doesn't disappoint. Brabus has likely tweaked the suspension for a more dynamic on-road experience, but don't worry, it can still handle itself on any terrain you throw at it. Design, luxury meets brutality. The G-Wagen's boxy design is legendary, and the G900 Brabus takes it to a whole new level. The exterior boasts a more aggressive aerodynamic package, likely including new bumpers, spoilers, and those signature Brabus wheels. It's a head-turner for sure, a perfect blend of ruggedness and elegance. But the real magic happens when you step inside. Brabus has completely transformed the interior with the finest materials, think premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and all the tech goodies you can imagine. This is a cockpit designed for comfort and control, whether you're navigating city streets or conquering off-road trails. Unique selling points, more than just power. Of course, the G900 Brabus isn't just about raw power and aggressive looks. It's a statement piece, a symbol of ultimate luxury and performance. It's the car for someone who demands the best, who wants a vehicle that can handle anything life throws their way, in style and comfort. The king of the road. Let's be honest, the Mercedes-Benz G900 Brabus isn't for everyone. It's a niche vehicle, a high-performance beast with a price tag to match. But for those who can afford it, there's simply nothing else like it on the market. It's a testament to German engineering excellence, pushed to the limit by the masters at Brabus. So, if you're looking for the ultimate driving experience, a car that will turn heads wherever you go, then the Mercedes-Benz G900 Brabus might just be your dream ride. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of the G900 Brabus. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this ultimate SUV. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.